Hello pamilya! It's another day of this episode with my special guest, Oleg.
Hi.
So, babalik ulit tayo ng city. Which part?
New York. And Chinatown.
Ayun. Chinatown. So, we'll explore kahit ganyan yung weather. Anong weather natin today?
Rain.
All day.
Uh-huh.
But rain or shine, we go, Team Oleg. So, we'll see you later. Okay, dito tayo sa Chinatown ulit, Canal Street. And we're going Mott Street. So, ayan, bili-bili na. Bili-bili. Okay, tingnan natin kung saan tayo mapunta. Hello again, pamilya. Dito tayo sa Mott Street. Medyo makulimlim at medyo drizzling yung weather. Pero nandito tayo ngayon. So, hindi siya matao dahil siguro sa weather and it's a weekday. Ito yung mga souvenir shops. Yung mga kainan. Sige. So, we'll see kung saan tayo mag-end up dining. So, nandito pa rin tayo sa Chinatown. Tingnan yung haircut dito guys, $8. So, kung gusto yung magpagupit na mura, dito nyo sila makikita. So, papunta tayo dun sa gusto nating kainan. It's famous for their dim sum. And it's known to be the oldest dim sum parlor in Chinatown. So, oldest or first. And here we are, Nomwa Tea Parlor. Ayan, nakalagay. Chinatown's first dim sum parlor. So, nakakain na tayo dito dati, but for documentation purposes. Ito siya. Okay, we'll check it out. So, itong kanya hours at ang kanilang menu. So, yun yung mga dim sum nila and their prices. And since ganito yung panahon, kaya walang tao, usually mahabang mga pila dito. So, swerte tayo. So, we'll see. So, ito yung mga unang dumating. The fried rice. Salt and pepper shrimp. Salt and pepper shrimp. Oh, ayan. What is this?
Beef rice roll.
Beef rice roll.
Sweet and sour pork chop.
And sweet and sour pork chop. Okay. Kakain. And we'll enjoy. So, ito yung part 2 ng aming cuisine. May shrimp siomai, dumpling soup,
demonstration.
So, yun yung mga sauce. Ito yung paligid dito.
Yung ano? Yung?
Okay.
Parang nga soft salt na. Pwede mo.
Tapusin natin to. Okay, pamilya. Tapos na kami kumain dito.
I don't like the pasta.
Eh, siyempre, that's bathroom. Pero how's the food?
Good, but I don't like the pasta.
You don't like the what?
The pasta.
Ganun talaga ang mga banyo dito. Kaya maghanap kayo ng magandang hotel. Ayan po ang nag-sponsor. At ang hindi pumigil sa sponsor.
Of course.
Thank you sa lunch.
Yes.
In-enjoy po namin ang aming pagpunta dito.
Yeah, but not the bathroom.
Pero I'm sure there's...
Yummy.
O kahit ilalamig, go, Team Oleg.
Yeah, but not the bathroom. Don't go to the bathroom.
You don't need the bathroom.
So yun yung recommendation niya, don't go to the banyo. So, ito pa ang surroundings ng Pearl Street here in Chinatown. So, we will see kung saan pa tayo dadali ng aming mga paa. But we might just explore kung ano pang makita namin dito. Okay, we'll be back.